AV systems and components. Welcome to this lesson on audio components in AV systems. Sound is one of the most critical elements in any audiovisual setup, whether it's for a live event, a corporate presentation, or a broadcast. High-quality audio ensures clear communication, audience engagement, and an immersive experience. In this lesson, we'll explore the key components that make up a professional audio system. We'll start with microphones, which capture sound and convert it into electrical signals. Then, we'll move on to mixers and audio interfaces, where sound is balanced and processed. Next, we'll cover amplifiers and speakers, which project audio to the audience. And finally, we'll discuss audio processors that enhance sound quality with tools like equalizers and DSPs. By understanding these components, you'll be able to design and operate AV systems that deliver crystal clear sound in any environment. Are you ready? Let's dive in.